Who owns the moon? It seems weird to ask, but what may be weirder is how many people do not know the answer to this fascinating question. To get that answer, we turn to the 1960s, when we are still threatening to throw nuclear weapons at each other's cities. During this was the space race, where the Soviets and Americans each tried to be first to the moon. The Soviet Union seemed to be winning at first, launching both the first satellite and the first man into space. However, the Americans beat them to the moon and claimed victory in 1969. What's the point of this? Well, now there was a massive, unclaimed territory that could be contended by nuclear-armed powers. So what happened? The UN stepped in 2 years prior to the moon landing and created the Outer Space Treaty, making all of space and the moon part of the common heritage of mankind. What does this mean? In the most basic sense, a country can claim the land around it, the coastline for 12 miles, and the areas below and above it. This falls into the category of national territory, and is legal for a country to control. But what about the common heritage? International waters, Antarctica, and space, yes, all of it, are common heritage, and no one owns this territory. It is kept in trust for all of us. There is one last category. What about your phone or your house? You own your phone and your house is yours, so what gives? These fall into the category of property, and we can talk for hours about the right to property or property law around the world, but I don't want to bore you in this video. So it's broken down like this. You pay taxes to your country to own your property, and therefore you are given autonomy to control your stuff. So there you go. The moon is part of the common heritage of mankind, along with Antarctica, space, and international waters. You can own property by paying taxes to your country, which owns the land, coast, and areas above and below.